To replace the saddle, two tools are required: a 10mm AF spanner and a crosshead screwdriver. First, remove the saddle along with the saddle post, and then remove the bolt that passes through the saddle and post using the crosshead screwdriver and a 10mm spanner. Withdraw the bolts. And then separate the saddle from the saddle post. Replacement is reverse. Line up the hole in the saddle post with a hole in the saddle and insert the bolt through. There is no front or back for either post or saddle with respect to the post. And then replace the nylon insert nut. And tighten it securely. When refitting the saddle post into the bicycle, make sure that the minimum insertion mark is lower than the top of the clamp. Then also line up the saddle front and back with the bicycle and tighten the seat clamp.